welcome to a new video on Bamboo Homestead. So this week it's gonna be about the damaging winds that have been pumping since last night, really. All night through. We woke up like 20 times or something because it's crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the damage that it's done on our garden. Also, I'm lucky enough, I just mulched it yesterday with plenty of leaves because all the leaves fell off our liquid amber tree. So we got plenty of mulch, but yeah, so with that wind it's a bit difficult. Yeah, if I'm being honest, we're actually quite lucky with the mulch that I put on a day before the big storm. And I think that we got this garden right next to the house helps, because then the wind comes only from one way and sort of, yeah, gets stopped a bit. So it looks really perfect still. All night I was worried about my garden. But it's all still there, which is great. And yeah, it gets a wind break from this tree probably. And that actually is gonna go soon. Because it's really close to the electric line up there, so they're gonna chop it off, which is cool. It's gonna give us extra mulch. Yeah, and the garden bed is right next to the house there. Yeah, for example, I'm gonna show you the banana leaves. Yeah, from getting burnt there and back all night. It literally hasn't stopped since yesterday evening. So it just got shredded, that poor thing. Not that at the bottom it's pretty good, because it gets protected by our house, but up there it's pretty bad. And you can see the Yarra Peony plum at the back there, the red tree, just getting smashed around, those poor young trees. I'm also glad that Max strung up the papaya trees to our stairs, because otherwise that would have probably also fallen. So yeah, because it's winter, I'm warming myself up with my jacket. It's really nice and warm in the sun, and we baked some yummy lemon cake this morning. So it's pretty much a home day because it's so windy and I don't really want to go out into town or anything like that, so we're just hanging out. And when it's so windy, you can really see why permaculture systems are so much better than just having a field that's unprotected by nothing. So we got our main trees that we care about a lot, and our veggie patches pretty much next to the house, so they get quite protected by the wind. So I think all the snow peas are not too bad. The bamboo is pretty much getting trashed. Can't see it so well on the footage, but yeah. The wind just comes from this side and trashes it on there. And I'm gonna show you now what came down already so far. Oh, here we go. Whoa. So here we can see all the mess. Max actually already cleaned up a little bit. And then up there, heaps fell down, or cracked or whatever. That wasn't like this before. Heaps have fallen down. Yeah, what a mess. So many have fallen now. Oh, they're great to make little tomato trellises or whatever trellis you need for. So I'm going to collect some of them and yeah, put them in the garden. I didn't have to cut off all the bamboo, so this is awesome. Nice and easy work like this. Hello, Magaya. Here we got a new row of snow peas, so I made a trellis right here. And here the snow peas are growing really fast, so I've extended a few longer ones. And over here was nothing either, so I just made a little bit of a bamboo mess where they can climb up. So here, pretty beautiful. Our pigeon peas have finally started to flower. But with that wind, so it's all been blown over right over here. Here's our trellis that I need to put back up. It's our Malabar spinach trellis. It grew really well. It's great in cooking and stuff. But yeah, it's suffering a little bit now. And then our rosella, sadly as well, to give you a quick update, it's probably not going to do anything more because our bamboo is just taking too much light away already now. And we didn't really think that this is a late cropper kind of thing. It takes a long time to actually get this big. So now it doesn't have enough sunlight to actually make proper rosella balls. Here we got more pigeon peas that just angled that way because of the wind. He's pretty alright. But those two are almost laying down. So viel. Here the sticks fell down as well, but that's good for kindling for winter time. Even a big one, that one. But now I'm going to show you the biggest one that fell down, and we're really happy that it didn't fall onto our van, because our van was actually parked there before. Here is this big chunk that fell down. Look at this huge tree trunk. Well, it's not really a tree trunk, but it looks like one. And it came from up there. Pretty hectic. If that would have hit anyone or hit the car, it would have been squashed. So crazy. Huge and solid. Always thinking of, you know, something like this falling onto the house, but the house is down there, so it would be, you know, the wind is usually coming from that way, from behind us now. And yeah, the people that lived here before, they obviously cut this big tree down. That would have been a bit closer to our house, and over there was another one. So they've cut that down, and now it's pretty much only that one that's above our garage. And yeah, this one sometimes we have to, like, yeah, just make sure he's staying healthy. And tree branches fell on top. It always sounds really loud when something falls on our roof, but obviously nothing too big. It looks pretty healthy, the tree. This is the, obviously it was like double the amount, double the size before. We did that exactly a day before the wind started. Yeah, but now it's half the size. But otherwise I'm still surprised it's still there. Because yeah, it just blew the leaves like everywhere. Step on it. Kijk nou maar. Wat is het? What time is it?
Coffee's alright.